We are coming after all commissioner in BiafraLand, Biafra Liberation Army. Nigeria government have approached Nnamdi to ask my secret, but Nnamdi refused. Simon Ekpa. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Palava's Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? You're highly welcome, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for a quick update. The reason why you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel is because anytime that we did not find this channel, then you can easily connect in another channel from YouTube. Okay my people, you're welcome back. They say the Obenge news we will get for hand today. I be Simon Ekpa and the Biafra Liberation Army. No be small thing. The Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside. Can't talk say if those commissioners for Biafra territory wey be say Simon Ekpa don't give them say make they leave because they know they work in the interest of the Biafra people. He say right now they are going after them and there is no going back. So I'm going to play you the video. May you watch and listen to everything we talk. Then we'll come back, continue. We'll get a lot of story to hear today. Stay tuned and watch the video while we continue.
Good evening, wonderful people of Biafra. I'm here to make one thing and one thing clear. Just one thing. And that is, if you are among those that your name was named or mentioned by our great Prime Minister, start running. We are coming for you. I repeat, if you were among those whose name was mentioned yesterday, being 1st September 2023 by the Prime Minister of Biafra government in exile, start running. We are coming for you and we will get you. That is what I'm coming here to tell you. That if you know those that know those that know those that know them, should tell them that their time, their countdown start now. Start running. BiafraLand belongs to the people of Biafra. We are not Nigerian and will never be. So therefore, this very night, the message for you is start running. You beg for life, you will not see life. We are coming. We are coming.
Okay, my wonderful people, you are highly welcome as you have watched and listened to what that Biafra Liberation Army is saying in this particular video. If you are one of those who they have mentioned the name on air by Simon Ekpa, that you should start running. He said they are definitely coming for you people. So I don't know if your brother or your sister is among those they have called. Tell him to be very careful. Hey guys, so what do you think about this Biafra Liberation Army saying in this particular video? So your opinion is also needed. I want you to leave your opinion and drop in the comment section. Are you support of what they are doing, or do you disagree on what they are doing? So whatever is your opinion, leave it in the comment section. Okay my people, now so we see more now say more bring and call show you. They say Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister of Biafra Republic government in exile, he say breaking news: the Nigeria terrorist government has approached Nnamdi, promised to release him if he can tell them my secret. Trust Onyendu, he refused. No be smart, you know. So this thing is coming from Simon Ekpa direct. He said that the Nigeria government has a promise to Nnamdi to release me in exchange of them telling them I have to get to Simon Ekpa's secret. So people, what do you think about this information coming from Prime Minister? And do you think that this government can everly do this, or do you think Onyendu can everly tell the secret of Simon Ekpa? So leave your comment below. Your opinion is needed. Okay, let's go ahead and read out more what Mazi Simon Ekpa tweeted as well. The legitimization of Nigeria government in Biafra to all hotels owners in Biafra territory. No service on commissioners will be allowed to lodge or live in any hotel in Biafra territory from 2nd of September 2023. We are aware that many genocide enable Nigeria state defunct commissioners in Biafra territory are now booking hotel, fleeing their homes. Any hotel that choose to become partner to their killers will receive the wrath of the people in the most extreme. This is coming from Simon Ekpa, that you have observed that so many people and so many commissioners from Nigeria are fleeing to the hotel, leaving their home in afraid of Biafra Liberation Army coming after them. So what you are trying to explain to us here is that most of them are now booking hotel, and they hereby ban any hotel of accommodating them, allowing them to lodge in their hotel. That any of them that they find in any hotel is going to receive the wrath of the people. That the commissioners in BiafraLand are no longer welcome in any hotel. They should go to Abuja and work. This is coming from the PM Simon Ekpa. So guys, now so we see am this morning, no be smart, and I will say move bring am come give una. So we need your contribution in this. What do you think? That you think that Simon Ekpa is getting it right the way he's doing it, or is that another way you advise am make him do anything wey you want me do as well? May you drop am for comment section. I believe so they read am and they see am. Okay my people, now so we see am may we carry am go read for Kaduna State, go see wetin dey happen for that side. No be small thing o. They say terrorists attack mosque in Kaduna State, gunned down several worshippers, including the vigilantes. You don hear am o. This one na Nigeria news every day. These terrorists, they don finish people for over there in north. Today, if you no hear say they attack church, you go hear say they attack mosque. So they say the terrorists for there don invade one mosque and shoot sporadically and kill so many people, and even the security men on ground was also involved in the incident. And he said this thing is happening, is becoming a culture in a northern part of Nigeria. People no be smart, now wetin dey happen for north be this every day. And thank God say at least for east they collect woto for that side. Okay my people, now so we see am o. Now we say mo bring am come give you now. Abeg, no forget to subscribe to this wonderful channel. Click the link below this video and it will take you direct to our YouTube. There you can subscribe, and may you not forget to follow this page as well for more updates as it dey hot. Okay, see you in the next video.